coming after me.
Mr. Shark, did you take a video of it?
That is the coolest thing ever.
Are you taking a video of it?
Yes.
Keep going there, Maddie.
Is he gonna get you, Zed? Is he gonna get you? Oh.
Hi, Mr. Sharky.
How much time before dinner?
Hi, Mr. Sharky.
Look at the timer.
I'm ready. Don't grab it. Don't grab it.
Let go, Remy.
Yeah, hold on a second. There's no money on no thing on the timer.
There's not? Oh, it's because I haven't put the pasta in. Yeah.
No grabbing.
Oh my gosh, he's coming to get me.
And grab.
Ah! A shark attack.
You and lambs don't go good together.
That is the coolest thing.
You use this thing on the bottom to move it like forward backwards so you can control it tight.
Uh-huh.
I knew it.
Look at Zed, his mouth is open. Like,
Hey, Mom. Let me see.
you should put this on YouTube.
You have the fish? Is that a fish?
No.
Shark.
Look up at the foot.
Shark.
Shark's coming to
Where- Yeah, shark. Here he comes, Luke. He's coming to get us.
I want to film it. Mommy, be quiet. Isn't it cool?
It is. What do you think, Zed?
Isn't it cool?
Yeah, it's cool, Remy.
Mommy, move. Gotta move. Hurry, move.
Zed, where's the shark? Ah, where's the shark? Hi, he's coming to get Mama.
I'm going to make him swim as fast as I can.
Yeah. Big shark.
Imagine outside. You can control it in outer space.
No.
And you wouldn't get signal in outer space. It would just float away.
It is so awesome.
Mom, what? Hold on, I'm going to show Papa how to get you. Turning.
Hi, Mr. Shoki. Hi.
This is Remy.
Remy, you messed him up.
Don't touch him. Don't touch Remy.
Oh, Remy.